Easy enough to whip up on a busy school morning and fancy enough to serve for a high-end breakfast or brunch. Today we're learning the art of the aebleskiver. KSL lifestyle contributor Maddy Tolman. She's our teacher today. Maddy, welcome back. Good
Thanks
to see
for having me. Good to see you.
What is an aebleskiver?
So it's basically a puffy pancake ball. They originate from Denmark, and they have sort of a crispy exterior and light and fluffy inside. They are known for their signature sphere shape, which comes from the unique pan that you cook them in, which we'll get to in a bit.
I love the pans, right? I love the look of them. I can't decide if they look like a muffin, or like, but they're bite size, which is obviously making it fun.
Yeah,
right,
yeah.
Okay.
And there's different sizes. You can get different size pans. But yeah, I first learned about these about a year ago at Lake Powell, a family trip to Lake Powell. Someone made them and we all just like hovered over the stove. We were so excited for the next batch to be done, to just scarf it down. And I've been just obsessed with them ever since.
Okay. So I love the versatility. You can use these when you're dressing up your meal, you're dressing down the meal.
Right.
And it sounds like you love me when you have like barely any kind of cooking utensils out on the lake.
Right,
okay.
Yes. And fairly easy to make. You'll see here. So. First of all, our batter is sort of like a pancake batter. It's got our flour, our sugar, our buttermilk, all that good stuff. The special thing here, we want to separate our egg yolks from our egg whites. So I'm gonna show you how. My favorite way, there's so many gadgets and tools and things you can use, but my favorite kitchen gadget of all to separate is just your hands. So with clean hands, you're going to very gently separate.
It's not a clean endeavor, is it?
It's not a clean endeavor. Wash your hands after. But separate those eggs yolks from your egg whites and just kind of like gently back and forth. Easy as that. Separate those. We're going to put our egg yolks in the batter, which I've already done, but our whites, we're going to separate and whip them until we have stiff peaks there.
So you use them both?
Yes, you do use them both.
Interesting.
So we've got our stiff peaks and we're going to very gently fold in our egg whites to our batter here.
So what else went into the whites to be able to make this?
Just the whites.
That's it?
You
just whipped up the whites and this became this? I don't believe it.
I know.
I'd have to see
Kitchen
it.
science, magic, all the fun.
Okay.
So then we gently fold that in, and whipping the whites outside of your batter is what's going to give you that like light and fluffy inside. That we love about
so
the
it has that
aebleskiver.
separation when you cook it. Interesting. All right.
Yep.
What else went into the batter?
That has buttermilk, it has some flour, some sugar, a little bit of baking soda and baking powder, and some salt.
Okay.
So easy as that.
Once you mix them together, what's the next step?
Then we have our pan here, which we're going to butter our each divot here just a little bit. We want low and slow is the key to some good aebleskivers.
Now, how do you pick up the cooking utensil? Because I'm assuming you need this particular utensil to make the aebleskiver.
Yes, yes. Amazon has tons and tons of options here.
Okay.
Then, with each divot, we're going to grab about 3/4 of the way full of batter there.
Do the pans come in different sizes for the aebleskivers?
Yes.
You can get a big one, you can get a little one?
You'll see a kind of a mini one, which is adorable, right?
Okay.
Mini up there.
Right.
This is the more standard size of the aebleskiver.
Okay.
And we're going to just fill each divot here. Now, while they're cooking, it's sort of like pancakes. You're going to watch for the bubbles. They do cook pretty fast, like 3 minutes.
Yeah, my mind's still trying to process the equipment because I look at this and I think it needs to go in the oven.
Right.
It looks like it's a muffin sheet. But it goes on the stove.
It goes on the stove. So once we have these, while I'm letting those, these are just our classic aebleskivers cooking. But let's try a filled one, shall we? So when you're adding fillings, which you can do with your aebleskiver pan.
Like a donut or something.
Right, like, so we're gonna go bacon and cheese, we're gonna go savory, and you're only gonna fill it about halfway, and then you're gonna add in your toppings on top. I'm gonna do bacon, and we're gonna do some cheese. I'm not being very generous, be generous. And
you want to fill it as much as you can.
Fill it as much as you can, and then I like to also add a little bit more on top, because that's gonna seal in the fillings there.
Okay.
And
so you can do ones that are filled and one without, but that's how you make ones that are filled.
So then once you see those bubbles here on the side, we're going to like very gently just flip it, and we're just gonna stand it 90 degrees that way.
Can I try one?
Yeah, go for it. Let's hope these ones are. If they don't like, good. If they don't flip very easily. That probably means they need a little more time. So give them more time.
Okay, so that one needs more to go.
That one needs more time.
You can see how it's done.
Right.
All
and
right.
you'll continue flipping.
And then you'll flip it until it cooks all the way around, and then you're done.
Yeah, and you'll just keep rotating until you have that ball shape. Now, aebleskiver pan, if you only use it to make aebleskivers, you're gonna collect a little bit of dust on your pan. You can make it for more than just your aebleskivers. So over here, we've got like cornbread bites. Great way to elevate chili night, right?
Sure, okay.
We've got like some egg bites over here that are stuffed with mushrooms and red bell peppers and bacon. We've got just lots of options.
There's
Endless.
lots of
Don't
options.
just use
They
it
look
for
great.
aebleskivers.
We'll have to taste them as soon as they get done. How they connect with you for more on the recipe.
Just find these on KSL website.
There you go, KSLTV.com.